wasn't grown up in my but I wasn't grown up.
Hi!
Welcome to O's Kitchen! So today we are going to make the Taiwanese beef noodle soup. What is it in Chinese?
牛肉面.
That's true. So, first step, if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe first, then we will introduce you more of the recipe. And now we're going to start. So, first step, we want to introduce you all the ingredients.
So for the beef soup, first you need beef. Original recipe is with beef shank. But here in Germany it's easy to find a slice of the beef leg. So we use this. For the vegetables, you need some carrots. You need leek. Usually you use green onion, but today we're going to use leek instead. Use some tomato, usually use a big tomato, but they are really small, so we use some more. You need garlic, like 6 cloves of garlic, 3 onions, and you also need 6 slices of ginger. Some tomato paste also will make it a little bit taste more like tomato. For the give it a special touch, we need some sugar, some soya sauce. Then you also need some Taiwanese soup bag. If you couldn't find this in your local Asian market, just use a half of a teaspoon 5-spice powder and add 2 of the star anise. And at the end we need this rice liquor.
Thank you, Chef Bastian! You introduced really nice. So now we are going to cut everything.
Just a tip for the carrots, don't cut them too small or they will be too soft at the end. This is all just also just quarter them or they will be too small and dissolve in the soup and the soup will be too thick. Now comes the most important part, the meat. If you have some meat with bone, don't throw away the bone. This will be really good flavor for the soup. So keep it and put it in the soup later. You want to cut it in slices, in pieces like this size. It's not too important, just around this size.
Dang! Welcome to pro tip session. As a Taiwanese, of course, I'm a pro. So now we want to boil the meat a bit before we cook it in our soup. So in our soup, it won't be that dirty and it will be more clear. Okay, do it.
Okay, when it's just start to boil, you can see this dirty foam coming up. You just throw away the water and wash the beef a bit, and that's what you don't want to have in your soup. First step now of the soup, put some oil in a pot and fry the meat. Careful. This browning downstairs is what you want to have. This will give some color and flavor to the soup later. Don't worry. Beef is getting brown, so now we add the onion, the leek, and the carrots. Everything inside. We want to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. To help it fry a bit, we are going to add a little bit of the sugar now to the vegetable. And now we add the rest of the vegetable. The tomato, the garlic, and the ginger. Just throw it inside. I'll put the rest of the sugar, or we put it, no, we just put it now. And now we're going to put some of the tomato paste. Like 2 tablespoons. Fry it a bit together with the rest. Okay, everything is getting a little bit brown and soft now. That's fine. We add our rice liquor, roughly 2 tablespoons. You can also use this. Okay, that should be enough. And we add half of a cup of soya sauce. Okay. In total, we usually use 1 cup of soya sauce, but this one is quite salty, so start with less. You can always add it, but if it's too salty, then it's not good. When the sauces are in, we try to scrape off all of the browning from before, from the meat and the vegetable of the bottom of the pot. Try to get everything off there. This will be flavor for your soup. Mixed our buns, we put it into the soup, and
Most important step, put in water. Otherwise you have no soup. Perfect.
just fill up your pot with water. It will disappear, it will steam off anyways, so just fill it up with water.
Yes. Alright, so as you can see, our soup is really full. There's like roughly 2 liters of water. And now we're going to do the most important part, adding the soup flavor package.
Just put it in the water here.
So now we finish everything. Then we just need to wait for 2 hours. Then we can eat. See you in 2 hours.
If it's simmering or boiling like this, then it's fine. Put it top and then like this for 2 hours on low to medium heat.
Our chef Bastian is cutting some green onion just for the decoration reasons. Now we are going to cook the noodle for the beef noodle soup. This noodle is oolong noodle. You can also buy at your local Chinese market, Asian market. So let's put it in. Let it cook for 10 minutes. Then you will see. Okay, so now the noodles ready, and because we use this special oolong noodle, we need to take a cold bath for the noodles. So you will have this really doing texture. Just wash it a bit. You can feel it's already jumping. Okay, so let's go to it. Chef, what are you doing?
Putting the soup and some beef in the together with the noodle.
Hey! Finally we're going to eat! So today we invite my neighbor, Nadine! Hello! So she will also join our beef noodle tasting now. So, bon appetit! Okay.
So good.
You need to give some feedback, Nadine.
This is so good. The meat just falls off.
Some noodle. Is it like home?
It's like home. I'm gonna cry.
Good. Okay guys, follow this recipe.
Yes. Here's the Chef Bastian. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and comment below if you have any good recipes. Try nothing.
It's really good.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.
Bye.